Okay, hello. This is Deepak. Basically, I'm trying to present this paper. Uh, will services be the new engine of economic growth in India? And this article is basically written by this Sukti Das Gupta from ILO and Ajit Singh, University of Cambridge. This article basically primarily tried to explain why this service sector is becoming really very important for India and the possible de-industrialization, which is to some extent is said to be observed in Indian context. However, the article tried to explain this deindustrialization has not as per se is basically observed in India, but as far as service sector is concerned, it is basically emerging as a new engine of growth, especially in the context of India and many other developing countries because services sector is growing very fast and many industries are basically coming in under being set up wherever this service infrastructure is really very well developed. That argument has also been put forward by Rodrigo and Subramaniam. Uh, this article has given many example and various other things related to Korea, Malaysia, and South Asian economies, especially the high performing Asian economy, Southeast Asian economy, and they basically end up that IT sector, which come as a huge game changer for this sector. But many expert argues that IT and ICT, basically information and communication technology, is something which is emerging in India, and its scope obviously is huge, but its density, its spread is limited to a very small proportion of the population. Therefore, in the years to come, we can think that this IT may be a game changer for this service sector, and services could easily be made available to far-flung area. There are certain problem with this service sector that they are perishable. Close proximity of producer and consumer is required. This IT innovation and IT technology has the capacity to basically meet this gap, and this perishable services can be made eternal through recording and various other measures, and that is we all know is basically taking place. Telemedicine, online education, all these sectors are booming this day, mushrooming this day, and even in far-flung area, a person can basically attend a lecture from any corner of the world. So that is sector really is basically doing great job. Thank you.